Beautiful wife of South Indian actors. Samantha Ruth Prabhu. Samantha was in wrong relationship many times, but at this time she became lucky and got her dream man Naga Chaitanya. Superstar of Tollywood Naga Chaitanya got married Samantha after 1 year of dating. Lakshmi Pranathi. Popular hero of South Indian industry Junior NTR got married to Lakshmi, whose father is a real estate businessman. This lovely couple is blessed with their first son Nandamuri Abhayram. Upasana Kamneni. South Indian superstar Ramcharan tied knot with businessman wife Upasana on 2012. Successful and talented lady is the vice president of Apollo Hospital. She has her YouTube channel by her name where many Tollywood as well as Bollywood celebrities come to share their thoughts on health and fitness. Sneha Reddy. Allu Arjun is lucky to get his lady love Sneha and he didn't think twice to marry her. Beauty with brains, Sneha completed her engineering from USA and now she is a director of SCIENT Institute of Technology. Aishwarya R. Dhanush. Aishwarya had a typical arranged marriage and it was arranged by none other than her father Rajnikant. Rajnikant chose Tollywood's talented actor Dhanush for his younger daughter Aishwarya. They are simply blessed with 2 kids. Jyotika. Jyotika has been working in South Indian films for almost a decade. She tied knot with superhero Surya. This lovey-dovey couple is now blessed with 1 cute son and 1 adorable daughter. Ranjini. Ranjini is the beautiful wife of talented South actor Karthi. They are blessed with a cute daughter named Umayal. Amal Sufia. Multi-talented Amal Sufia is the wife of handsome actor Dalker Salman. She is a professional architect and interior designer. Shalini. Shalini is the beautiful wife of Tollywood's famous actor Ajit Kumar. She also worked in Malayalam films, few Tamil films also. Namrata Sirodkar. Former Miss India left her Bollywood career after getting married to superstar Mahesh Babu. Yes, Namrata is the proud wife of Mahesh Babu. Shailaja Balakrishnan. Shailaja is the wife of South actor Vikram. This couple got married in the year 1992. Sangeeta Swarnalingam. Sangeeta is the wife of Vijay Joseph. She is also the daughter of a famous business tycoon from Sri Lanka. Sarita Birje. Air hostess Sarita is the wife of handsome actor Madhavan. This sweet couple got married after dating for a long time. Amala Akineni. Nagarjuna's wife Amala received 2 Filmfare Awards for her acting skill in Malayalam and Telugu movies. Supriya Menon. She is the wife of Malayalam actor Prithviraj. This couple is blessed with a cute daughter. Priya Radhakrishnan. Popular hero Sudeep got married to his beautiful wife Priya in 2000 after dating for 3 years. This couple decided to break up and filed a divorce petition in 2016, but they changed their decision and staying together. Saisha Saigal. Saisha is the wife of South Indian superstar Arya. Saisha made her debut in Bollywood in Ajay Devgan's film Shivai. Surekha Konidala. Famous superstar and businessman Chiranjeevi got really lucky when he married to his wife Surekha in 1980. Camera shy person, Surekha is a successful homemaker who has raised her son and 2 daughters. Latha Rangachari. Rajnikant is really blessed to have a supportive wife like Latha. Latha worked as a playback singer in many Tollywood films. Sonali Sood. Sonali is the wife of mischievous villain of big screen Sonu Sood, who is also very popular in Bollywood. Priyanka Upendra. Actress Priyanka Upendra is the wife of famous South star Upendra Rao. She worked in many Hindi, Telugu, Kannada and Tamil films. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.